So, what is an action project and why is it such an important element of DHealth? It is the most important part of DHealth because it is the major connector. Action project is the plan, it's the budget, it's exactly what we're going to try and fix in the world. That could be us individually, we could have a simple action project where we need some help, or we could try and group together as members and try to facilitate a larger solution. So our action projects will have headers like we want to develop a service. We would like to be able to help someone fund a major project. We would also like to be able to solve a major project. So the basic framework is budget, what the problem is, who is going to be doing the work, how are we going to get the money for it, and that assembles it into both a smart contract and a legal framework so that we can actually go and do these things in the world. So what's different about an action project compared to other ways people are trying to solve problems? An action project brings together two parts that personally and the company has been part of a number of different question and response scenarios for NGOs who want to provide solutions. And they always start with, okay, we're going to figure out what you can do, and then we're going to see if we can get you to match up with a research grant, and then that research grant will then fund for an actual project. And so these multi-stage systems seem to, a lot of money gets spent and a lot of time gets spent and a lot of human collateral gets spent around trying to assess problems without ever having any actionable outcome. And so we wanted to bridge that gap. The thing is we don't think in terms of linear problem solving the way we don't have one doctor, one patient, one set of records, and then a procedure. We want to be able to solve health problems by getting a bunch of doctors around an individual. So that would be a very low level action project, personalized action project. But we may need to get a large group of individuals and funding from larger entities that need to speak at different levels. So you'll have institutional investors, large corporations, you'll have big problems around the world, but you'll also have grassroots individuals that want to work on the project. Action projects are the first complete end-to-end framework that will encapsulate all those different types and all the different values of money, help, resources that would go towards that. So again, we're using the smart contract in a new way to create complete transparency around things that the World Health Organization is trying to do. But to find out what they're trying to do takes a lot of work and many layers. This would be one-step projects. Find people that have a problem or can recognize a problem, find individuals that can afford to support that kind of problem, and give them one framework to work in, not this stratification that we currently have.